Okay. So, question 3. The true linear regression equation is y equal to beta 0 plus beta 1 x, where beta 0 and beta 1 are unknown. What are the new alternative hypotheses for beta 1? So beta 1, okay, null hypothesis is these, how you say that in English again? Oh, different than 0. And alternative hypothesis is minor than 0, or beta 1 is equal to 0, and beta 1 is maybe, oh, I can't speak today. Bigger than
So
0.
I would say it's the third one.
It is the third one, yeah.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna read that all. Yeah, equal to 0. How you say the symbol again? Sorry.
Is it beta or no?
No, the one like equal and the opposite is.
I would just say not equals. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if there's a name for it.
Oh, okay. Well, my bad. The third one.
So question 4.
Residual.
Yeah.
Okay, go for it. I'll read it.
Is the difference between beta 0 and beta 1? No. Depends on the independent variable. Is the difference between the observed value
Yes.
y and the value predicted? Yeah, I would say so.
Yes. What is left over after doing simple? No, it's the third one.
Yeah.
Do you agree, Zay?
Yeah.
Is he?
Yeah. So a plot of residuals supports using linear regression when the residual look normally distributed, the residuals are all positive. You see a megaphone shape in the residuals. You see a pattern in the residuals.
Wait, did you read the fifth one?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Or no?
Okay, so I was just like not sure about that. I thought.
Trying to see here.
A plot of residual supports using linear regression. Oh, I'm confused.
It's the first one. It's the only one that makes sense because, like, it doesn't matter if residuals are positive or negative. If we see a megaphone, it means that there is like too much difference in the variances, so we cannot use linear regression. And if we see a pattern, again, it means that there's no randomness.
Yeah, they should not be on a line, right?
No, like, so from the scatter plot of the residuals, no. But then if you do a QQ plot of the residuals, then yes, they should be on a line because that means that that they're normally distributed. So I would go with the first one.
Okay. For the next 8 problems, use the data found in math self-efficacy. I think we used that before.
Yeah.
Delete that.
So did you guys say it was number C?
No, the first one.
Look normally distributed on the QQ plot.
Well, yeah, here it says a plot, so it doesn't specify.
Oh, I'm trying to open the Excel file. So. Okay. Okay. So use the confidence variable as the explanatory variable and the score variable as the response variable. Okay, confidence variable as the explanatory. Ah, not this one.
Guys, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
I'm just working on the
so-
Excel. Sorry,
Okay.
not done.
So I already prepared a scatter plot for the residuals.
Okay, wait.
And I would say that the correct answer is the first one.
Compute the residuals for the data using software. What?
Be-
The statement best describes the residuals. Questo qua, dai, this one. Are you talking about question 6 then?
Where are you getting negative 40 and 25 from? Hello?
Daniel?
Is Daniel there?
No, I think we lost him.
Damn. I don't know how he
He's
got.
at the church today, so he should have a good connection.
I don't know what happened to the.
Hello?
I don't know.
Yes. Daniel?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Can you explain how you got A for number 6?
I did a scatter plot of the residuals. So if you highlight, if you look at, are you looking at the linear regression on the quantitative inference procedures?
Yeah, so highlight all the residuals.
No, if you highlight the second table, the one that has the explanatory variable and the
Yeah.
residuals,
Yeah.
if you highlight those two columns,
Okay.
and then you add a new scatter plot.
Okay.
So if you insert the graph and you choose a scatter plot, that's how you can see how the residuals are distributed on the y-axis corresponding to their x explanatory variable on the x-axis. And so you can see that they're spread out. There's no real pattern, and that the data are between roughly, plus 25 and negative 40.
The data are between plus 25 and negative 40, yes. There is just...
That's why I would say that it's the first one.
Yeah, there's just one that is close to negative 40, but yeah.
Okay.
I need 3 screens to work. Gosh. They keep changing. Like, oh, Excel. The quiz.
Yeah, and now we have to do now we have to do a QQ plot. So we need to open another file as well.
Based on the QQ plot for these residuals, what can you say about these residuals?
The quantitative descriptive, probably.
Yep.
What did you... Oh, I can't hear you. Sorry. What did you say?
Use the quantitative descriptive data, or excuse me, Excel sheet. So do we make one QQ plot per column?
No, just for the residuals.
Oh, just for residuals.
Do you then just delete the scatter plot?
Well, I just left it there, just for now.
Okay. I got the cuckoo plot. Oh, do I need to sort column A from lowest to highest number? Is that important? Okay. Are fairly normal, not normal, looks real. I'll say normal.
Yeah.
It's pretty...
Yeah, it looks normal to me. Did you just get a standard deviation of 0.64?
No. Dang it.
I got 11.2247.
22, yes. And minus 3.72 as a mean.
Did you guys get your, you open up the math self-efficacy test, and you got score column and the confidence rating mean? That was originally into the T-score. No?
Wait, I'm not following you. What are you talking about? Which file?
The math self-efficacy test?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I got you take the confidence and you put it for the X, and then you take the score and you put it in the Y.
Yes.
Okay.
Do you do the opposite?
Yeah.
Oh, that could be.
I did it backwards.
Hmm. What, Daniel? What?
Question 8.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the standard deviation is 11.224, right? That's what you guys got?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'm following now.
Awesome. So from there we can say that the residuals are fairly normal.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're good.
Okay, so question 8. Use software to create a scatter plot of the data given the scatter plot, residual plot, and the QQ plot. Which of the 5 assumptions about linear regressions are satisfied by this data? Check all that apply. Okay, so we should have a hot dog shape in the scatter plot, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we have it.
Yeah.
Actually, okay. So that refers to the first plot.
Yeah. So there is linear.
Sorry.
So the first the first option, there is a linear relationship between x and y. We see it, because it's a hot dog shape. So
yes. So that
say
one is
the first one. It's right.
Mm-hmm. The variance of the error term is constant. We need to check that one. So the residual plot, you have no megaphone shape.
Exactly.
And that is correct because it doesn't have a megaphone shape.
Residuals are normally distributed. Yes, because the QQ plot says that they are.
Yes, true. The x values are measured without error.
Well, the last two cannot be really. They cannot be checked with the plots.
Yes. X should be measured accurately and precisely. Cannot be checked directly. Cannot be checked directly. Yeah. Yes. So are those how we should not check them?
I wouldn't check them because it's not the plots telling us that those two are true.
Daniel?
Okay,
yeah,
so
I'm here.
Oh, I didn't hear what you said. I mean, I hear just the first part.
No, I was saying that it's not the plots telling us.
Yeah, so we probably shouldn't check them.
Yeah, I wouldn't check them. We go on. If it's wrong, we'll come back and redo it.
Okay. Yep.
So A through C then, huh?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's move on.
Question 9. What is B1 the estimate? What is B1 the estimate for the slope? Round to 3 decimals. B1 estimate. Is it like 12.6?
Yep.
95?
Yeah.
So
do you know where to find that, Isai?
Well, Just a moment.
is in H14, the linear regression tab.
H4.
H14 on the linear regression tab. On the table.
12.695.
12.695, yeah. Slope would be 1.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Okay, now construct a 95% confidence interval for B1. Input your answer for the lower bound and upper bound. Bound. Confidence level 0.95. Okay.
Quindi, so lower bound.
Lower bound first.
It should be 10.674. Yeah, because we're looking at the slope.
And
so it's a 95%, right?
Yes, it was. Mine was already set on 95. So
yeah, mine too.
14.715, the upper.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it! What is this? I forgot. 14.715. Based on the evidence and using level of significance equal to 0.005, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for B1?
So fail to reject them all, right?
No.
I'm still thinking.
I would go with reject the null hypothesis test because the p-value is less than alpha.
Yeah, p-value is really small.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's to the nth place,
Yeah.
I guess you'd say.
Mm-hmm.
Never mind, you're right. Okay.
So it's like 3.31266.
Yeah,
E
and then
elevated minus 24.
right, so it's like actually like 0, closer to 0 maybe. You could say. So would you go with
Sorry,
C?
my wife is calling.
Say hi to her.
Pronto? Dimmi.
We can almost hear the conversation.
It's okay, I don't speak Italian.
Well, you speak Spanish, it's close
idea.
enough.
L'ho visto sul letto nostro, poi l'ho visto forse sul comodino nostro, ma poi non so. Poi non so, non mi ricordo. Non mi ricordo, se no. Ciao. Dove va? Bene, ciao. All right, sorry. Crisis is over, you know.
It's okay, man. Okay. So question number 12, the third one, right?
I would go with that, yeah.
Good. 13. For a hypothesis test for B1 slope, if you reject the null hypothesis, what does it mean?
I will go with the last one.
there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression is not 0. Yeah. The one that sounds better to me. Oh yeah, because there are sufficient is 0. What do you think, Isai?
Yeah, the last one.
We lost Daniel. I didn't realize that he's not even connected anymore. Gotta call him. Oh, he's back.
The internet connection here in church is not the best.
In which room are you staying?
I'm in the archive where it's like the best.
Because I saw that there is a Wi-Fi thing also in the room.
Yeah, but they're having English courses, so it's not really bad.
No, I was gonna say in the one with all the sanitary kit for the refugees.
Well, whatever. So, where are we?
We're on
So
14.
So,
okay. 14. So for this data, which variable is dependent variable?
sorry, but number 13, did you go for the last one?
Oh yeah, the
Yes.
last one. Yeah,
cool.
we all.
That's good. That's good.
I was like, reading the 14 is like headline.
Yeah.
Okay. Use the data found in head length was used to predict body length.
So for this data, which variable is the dependent variable? So I would say it's body length.
It's body length. I was wondering if I need to download it. Yeah, now construct. Yes. Estuary crocodile.
So now construct an 95% confidence interval for beta 1. Input your answers for the margin of error, lower bound and upper bound. Determine margin of error for this 95% confidence interval.
Did you
I
guys
came up.
get...
I got 0.442.
You got 0.442 for the margin of error.
Yes.
Is there a part that talks about margin of error on here, or did you figure it out yourself?
No, it's always the same. You know, if you take the upper bound and you subtract the lower bound, then you divide by 2, and that's how you find the margin of error.
Sorry, I'm still building the thing.
And it's also the same as doing, you know, the B1 that we have there. It's like, is it 7.660?
Yeah.
And you do
The
that
B1
minus the lower bound of confidence interval, it's 0.442. So.
Okay, so margin of error is 0.442 0.443 maybe? Because you round it?
No.
No, 2.
Two.
It's 2, yeah. Lower bound, did you get 7.218?
218, yeah.
And then upper bound is 8.103.
Yeah.
What's upper bound?
Upper 8.103.
Okay. Oh, we're the last one. I didn't know that. Based on your lower bound and upper bound from the last 2 problem, what can you say about B1? You're 95% confident that confidence interval will contain the true value of B1. There's a 95% chance that confidence will reject little policies. Or the last 2. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
So it wouldn't be B.
My video just froze.
I would say it's the first one.
Yeah.
We're 95% confident the confidence interval will contain the true value.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
To me.
Who's submitting?
I'll do it.
Okay.
Submit quits. Yes, submit quits. And yep, everything's correct.
Okay.
Is it okay for you guys too?
Okay, if you can stop the recording and then post the